We provide replacement keys for car dealerships and retail customers. You know, when I got here, we were doing our business on QuickBooks. We were approaching the limit on the number of transactions it can store. I had an ongoing conversation with Oasis, and we were constantly kind of reviewing, discussing solutions that might make sense for us. We both agreed that NetSuite made a great deal of sense for us. What we needed was broad functionality, and NetSuite was just better at that. That integrated functionality that NetSuite has is the thing that really counts for us. Being able to click through from a purchase order over to an invoice and a payment is something that it's just, you can't get that in QuickBooks. I think NetSuite is one of those things that we've provided the company that gives us kind of an adult level functionality that we haven't had in the past. Working with Oasis has been a pleasure. They've always been very responsive to whatever we've asked. They've been able to provide a high level of technical capability. We've gotten through all of the problems, and that's the most important thing. My accounts payable person, my accounts receivable people have Oasis on speed dial. They call them up whenever they run into little issues, and Oasis has provided everything that we needed. I think my biggest advice is sit down with people like Oasis, sit down with people with expertise and ask them, what do you think makes sense here? And they're able to help you understand exactly what your vision is. And once you understand what your vision is, I think the whole software game gets a little easier.